Article 10. The right to trial.
Article 10. Everyone is entitled in full equality to a fair and public hearing by an independent and impartial tribunal, in the determination of his rights and obligation and of any criminal charge against him.
Next case.
The People versus Martin White. Mr. White has been charged with...
Guilty. Next case.
But Your Honor, you haven't heard the charges yet.
Guilty. Next case. Guilty. 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 I admit, President. Guilty. Next.
Ibig sabihin nito, kapag may kaso o paratang laban sa isang tao, dapat siyang bigyan ng pagkakataong ipagtanggol ang sarili niya sa isang korte na hindi kinokontrol ng gobyerno o sino mang makapangyarihan. Dapat ang paglilitis ay walang kinikilingan, hayagan at isinasagawa ng may pagkakapantay-pantay upang masiguro na ang hustisya ay naipapatupad ng tama at makatarungan.
Example, right to legal representation. Every individual has the right to be defended by a lawyer of their choice or to be provided one if they cannot afford it, particularly in serious cases. Second, presumption of innocence. A person is considered innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, placing the burden of proof on the prosecution. Third, right to present a defense. Accused individual must have the opportunity to present evidence, call witnesses, and challenge the evidence brought against them. Fourth, right to call and cross-examine witnesses. Both parties must be able to summon witnesses and question those presented by opposing side to test their credibility. And last, no self-incrimination. Individual cannot be compelled to testify against themselves, upholding their right to remain silent.